Hello guys, I just want to share my happiness with you for having bought this remote on AliExpress, this remote for GoPro. I'm using now the GoPro Hero 11, and honestly, I bought this remote for not more than £10. I can't even remember, but it was super cheap. This remote here is I think if you want to buy the original one, the GoPro one, is gonna be like around £80 or something. If you buy the television one, it's about £30-40. Well, this is exactly like the television, but it's another brand. I bought it again on AliExpress for about £10, not more than £10. And honestly guys, it's amazing. It works perfectly, super smooth, honestly. So yeah, I recommend it. AliExpress remote for GoPro. Okay, subscribe to my channel, give this video a big like and leave a comment. Thank you very much. Bye bye.